Now one more important theorem or property, state and prove equal intercept property. Equal intercept property, EIP. What is this? If three or more parallel lines, I have here L, M, N, three parallel lines, L is parallel to M is parallel to N. If three or more parallel lines are intersected by two or more transversals, I have taken only two, that is T1 and T2 are transversals. If three or more parallel lines are intersected by two or more transversals, if length of intercept on one of the transversal is same, that is if this length AB is equals to BC. This is also given that length of intercept made between these parallels on one of the transversal, that is if AB is equal to BC, then we need to prove that DE is equals to EF. The length of intercept on DE is same as, that is on the second transversal DE intercept is equals to EF. This we want to prove. One of the small construction is required here. What is that construction? Join C to D. Join C to D which meet BE at suppose M. I can say, or I can take this point O, meets BE at O. Now I am taking its proof. What is the method? I am taking the triangle CDA. In triangle CDA, what is that? That BO is parallel to AD as given. Why BO is parallel to AD? Because LMN are parallel, so their parts are also parallel. Also B is midpoint of AC. Also given that B is midpoint of which side? AC. So here you can use converse of midpoint theorem. In triangle CDA, B is the midpoint of AC, BO is parallel to AD. So as per converse of midpoint theorem, that if a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side parallel to second side, must bisect the third side. That is, so I can say, so by converse of midpoint theorem, what is coming? That O is midpoint of what? You can say DC. O is midpoint of DC. Why? Because of converse of midpoint theorem. Here midpoint theorem is applicable surely, because in triangle CDA, B is the midpoint of this side AC, BO is parallel to second side AD, so O has to midpoint of the third side CD. Now I am taking triangle DCF. Now in triangle DCF, which CFD, or you can say DCF. In triangle DCF, O is proved that midpoint. O is midpoint of which side? CD. O is midpoint of CD. Why? As proved. This is proved. And this line OE is parallel to CF. OE is parallel to CF. As OE is parallel to CF given, because of M is parallel to N, so their parts are also parallel. Again by converse of midpoint theorem, which theorem? Midpoint theorem. What we can conclude? That in triangle DCF, O is midpoint and OE is parallel to CF. So as per converse of midpoint theorem, that if a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side parallel to second side, bisect the third side. So again by converse of midpoint theorem, we can conclude E is midpoint of, E is what is E? E is midpoint of what? DF. So what is coming? DE is equals to EF. So DE is equals to EF. This we want to prove that the length of transverse on the second transversal are also equal.